Good morning, Key Stage 1. How are you? I hope you're ready for another phonics lesson today. I know I'm super excited to look at some of those tricky suffixes again. Let's have a look at the suffix that we'll be learning today. So today we're going to be looking at adding the suffix ness to the root word. So adding ness to a word, normally, just like the others, you just add it and nothing needs to change. So for example, sad plus ness becomes sadness. Ness means of a certain state, so a certain way that you were feeling. It was with great sadness. Okay. Now it changes the root word to a noun. It changes the root word to a noun. So it's the name of a feeling or a state of being. Now some examples are plainness, thickness, stillness, abruptness, unfairness, sharpness. However, you have to be careful. Just as before with the other suffixes, if you come across a word that has more than one syllable and it ends in a consonant plus Y, you have to change the Y to an I. So for example, for happiness, you can see that in the word happiness, the Y at the end of happy has changed to an I. Now, just as before, could you have a go at practicing these nouns? Remember to try and do each word 5 times if you can. Pause the video now and practice spelling the words. Now it's time to use them in a sentence. Think about when you might use them. Stillness. The stillness of the lake was mesmerizing. The thickness of the wood was amazing. The happiness she felt was wonderful. Pick out some of these words and practice using them in a sentence. Pause the video now and give it a go. How did you get on? Are you ready for a little test? Remember, just like I've said before, don't worry if you find these tricky. It's a really complicated thing to learn for year 2. And like I've said, it is the hardest thing we're going to ask you to do. So take your time, give it a go, and let's see how you do. Word number 1, sadness. Word 2, plainness. Word 3, thickness. Word 4, stillness. Word 5, abruptness. Word 6, unfairness. Word 7, sharpness. Word 8, happiness. Take a look back at the previous slides and see how you did. Don't worry if you made mistakes, just keep practicing, you'll get there. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I look forward to seeing you again next week for some more phonics. Bye.